Hi my dears, today we are going to study about the kitchen utensils. Utensils, what is mean by utensils? Utensils are the things used in our kitchen. So in the first unit, our kitchen, we are going to know about various things used in our kitchen. Here our friend Neela, she is going to take us to the kitchen to show us the utensils. So here it starts. Hi, I am Neela. I help in the kitchen. Do you? Do you help your mother in the kitchen? Now we'll take a look at the kitchen utensils. First one, funnel. 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 Have you seen this funnel? It is used to pour liquid or grains into a jar. Funnel. Next one, strainer. Strainer. Have you seen the strainer? Strainer. Strainer. It is used to filter tea or juice from its dust. Next one, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Have you seen this pot? How many of you are using mud pot in your house? P-O-T, pot. It is used to store water. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Mixie. In short form, we will use to say mixie. So, mixer is used to grind the solid things to make a powder or paste. Stove. S-T-O-V-E, stove. Stove is used to, obviously, stove is used to cook food. Next one, tablespoon. T-A-B-L-E, table. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. It is used to serve food and it is used to eat your food items. Next one, cutting board. Cutting board. Have you seen this cutting board? This is wooden board, but don't ask your mother not to use the plastic board if they are using it in your home. Ask them to use wooden cutting board. C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting board. B-O-A-R-D, board. Cutting board. It is used to cut all the vegetables and fruits by keeping on it. Churner. C-H-U-R-N-E-R, churner. C-H-U-R-N-E-R, churner. It helps to make the paste of curries. Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here K is a silent letter. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Knife is used to cut all the vegetables and fruits. Peeler. P-E-E-L-E-R, peeler. Peeler. P-E-E-L-E-R, peeler. It is used to remove all the skins from the vegetables. Next one, tongs. T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Tongs is used to take any hot items from the oil or from the pan like puppet or cutlet, etc. Tongs. T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Pan. P-A-N, pan. Pan is used to fry vegetables or any other food items. Ladle. L-A-D-L-E, ladle. Ladle. L-A-D-L-E, ladle. Ladle is used to stir or serve curries. Ladle is used to stir or serve curries. Bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. It is not bowl, it is bowl. So, bowl is used to mix or store food for serving. Mix or store food for serving. Next, tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. It is used for keeping dishes or utensils in an organized way. This one, rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Rolling pin. It is used to flatten the dough. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Kettle is used to make hot water. Tumbler. T-U-M-B-L-E-R, tumbler. T-U-M-B-L-E-R, tumbler. Tumbler, it is used to serve any drink like tea, coffee or juice or it is simply used to drink water. This one lota, L-O-T-A, lota. It is a vessel used to serve water to the elders. Lemon squeezer, L-E-M-O-N, lemon, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-R, lemon squeezer. It is used to squeeze lemon to take the juice. Plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. It is used to serve foods and cover the food items. Cup and saucer, cup and saucer. Cup and saucer, C-U-P, cup, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer, cup and saucer. It is used to serve coffee or tea. Grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Grater is used to grate all the vegetables to make it into the small pieces. Now we will take a quick look of all the things. Funnel, strainer, pot, mixer, stove, tablespoon, cutting board, knife, peeler, churner, tongs, pan, ladle, bowl, tray, rolling pin, kettle, tumbler, lota, lemon squeezer, plate, cup, saucer and grater. Okay children, we have learnt about some of the utensils used in our kitchen. So practice the spellings and pronunciation of every word. Thank you.